Question number 1. What is the name of the island where John wrote the book of Revelation? Option A, the island of Pergamon. Option B, the island of Patmos. Option C, island of Malta. Option D, island of Crete. The correct answer is option B, the island of Patmos. Question number 2. What was the name of the city founded by Cain after left God's presence? Option A, Sodom. Option B, Gomorrah. Option C, Enoch. Option D, Canaan. The correct answer is option C, Enoch.